Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Study Smart Tech. Today in this video, I will show you how to combine different videos into one video in a very simple and short way, step by step. So this is a folder which consists of 3 different videos. First video is 50 second. Second video is 19 second, and third video is 13 second. Now I am going to combine these 3 different videos into single video. For that, I have OpenShot video editor application. Open it. And insert 3 different videos here. Import from here. Desktop. Yes, video. Downloading done here. You can check different videos. You can check different videos are combined into one video or not. Yes, this is a simple way to combine video. This is a free application software. You can download this editor from any software website. Thank you so much for watching this video.